Hey guys, if we're not here today, I'm going to show you how to twist your hair like a professional, and this method will make sure you come up with something that you and everyone else is going to love. But first things first, you need to detangle, hydrate, and soften your hair for the work that's about to come. And to do that, I always use my beautiful Enada multi-purpose leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is such an amazing hydrator. It's a curl activator. It's an anti-breakage leave-in conditioner, and it's just basically what you need to work for your 4C hair. My hair is 4C hair, by the way, so I massage it into my hair and first detangle with my fingers before going in with the comb. And look how easy it is when I just use my comb on my hair. And look how we have no breakage, after combing my hair. Anyway, I seal in all that moisture with the beautiful Enada Super Hair Growth Serum, and I also massage my scalp with the serum. I always do this before I style my hair. Now, after this, I put my hair in the sections that I'm going to be working with. It makes things very easy for me. And then I part my hair horizontally, starting from the bottom section, and basically just cut my hair into cubes, and then I start to do my magic. So I start off with a base that looks like I am braiding because I want it really firm instead of doing the 2-strand twist. And then after just, braiding for a bit, I start twisting the hair. And that's basically what I will be doing all through my hair. Now, if you'd like to get my beautiful Enada product, the leave-in conditioner, the Super Hair Growth Serum, simply just read the caption attached to this video to see the various places where you can shop it, or just DM at beautiful Enada on Instagram. Look how neat it is. When you use this method to twist your hair, it makes everything just come out looking very neat and just, pleasant to the eyes. I actually started twisting my hair around 10 p.m. But then I got really tired around midnight because I had a hectic day. So after this clip, you're going to see that I had facial on my face in the next clip. That was basically the next day. I decided to finish up my hair. And so I needed to hydrate the hair again. Not because it wasn't still, feeling hydrated and moisturized, but just, it's me. That's what I do. Yeah, so again, look how easy it is to comb through. And then I start parting the hair. This particular section I'm usually very careful with because, that's the first thing you see when you look at me, when you're facing me, is the front of my hair. So you need to be really neat. So see how I carefully part my hair and just basically get to work. Look at that shrinkage. My hair shrinks so much. But anyway, shrinkage is actually a sign of healthy hair. So if your hair is natural, but your hair doesn't shrink, like it's not that elastic, you need to DM at Beautiful Enada for consultation so we can know what the problem is. Don't forget to get any of the products. Just simply read the caption attached to this video, and you'll be on your way to shopping, or just DM at Beautiful Enada on Instagram. So my hair is done now, but I am actually not done. Look at all that shrinkage. I'm going to show you guys something. So I stretched my hair and you see what we're talking about. Anyway, so I always use my beautiful Enada leave-in conditioner to hydrate my hair even more when I am done. And then I use the Super Hair Growth Serum to seal in all the moisture, and also just massage my scalp, because massaging my scalp with this serum helps to accelerate my hair growth. Naturally, I don't have fast hair growth, but this makes all the difference. It was a couple of days before I actually filmed the end part of this video. But I just wanted to show you guys how I style the hair after everything, because I got busy the other day when I finished up my hair. And anyway, so I always use my beautiful Another Queen of Edges to lay my edges. This makes all the difference. Trust me, all my beautiful Another products make all the difference. So it's very good at holding down your fussy edges. And this is how I lay my edges with the Queen of Edges. Remember, you can get this by shopping on beautifulanother.com or DMing at beautifulanother on Instagram. Just read the caption attached to this video. Now, this is how I styled the back of my hair, because I didn't want my twist flying around the entire place. I like to keep my hair in one place because that way it's easier for me to just manage and take care of it. This is an amazing protective style, by the way. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel and share the video. If you want any of the products, DM at beautifulanother, or you can shop on beautifulanother.com. We ship worldwide. And we also have amazing deals for distributors. Okay. Now, what do you guys think of the final look? What do you think? This is what we have. My hair looks nourished and beautiful thanks to Beautiful Another. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.